We're cooking on a lane.
Hey folks, Ben Lang here. Want to invite you to come by and visit with us sometime for spring cook class, summer cook class, or fall cook class. It's quite the hoot. You'll have such a good time. We put 18 to 20 folks together in a classroom environment with a learned instructor of barbecue, and it's just a time that is just fantastic. Come join us if you can.
What made you come to the Q School?
Really just, perfecting the craft. It's something I have a passion for, and you can't ask for a better instructor than Chef Paul Kirk. I mean, the guy's a legend in the barbecue world.
What do you think you got out of it so far?
Definitely some new techniques, some new spices to incorporate into my own rubs that I make. So I'm really looking forward to getting back home and making some experiments.
Any comments? Anything you'd like to say?
If you don't have a lane, you're missing out. Go get one. It's literally the best smoker I've ever used. Holds heat well, even cook temp all the way around, and it just turns out amazing meat.
My name is John Baker, and I'm from Jacksonville, Florida.
And John, you own a Lang?
I sure do.
What type of Lang do you own?
I have a 36 Deluxe.
And how long have you owned the 36 Deluxe?
I've had it for 3 years now.
What kind of research did you do to decide to buy a Lang smoker cooker?
Well, when I first got ready to purchase my new smoker, I had a cheap smoker from Lowe's and cooked 1,000,000 racks of ribs on it, and I was about to make a bigger purchase and spend a little over $1,000, and I felt pretty good about the purchase I was going to make, and I had a friend tell me, if I'm going to spend that type of money, you better get a Lang. And when I heard him tell me this, I was thinking to myself, I know nothing about a Lang. So I started getting on the computer and I started searching for used Langs for sale, thinking I was going to get a good price. I couldn't find them. So I found out that the Lang distribution center is here in Waycross, Georgia. So I drove up here all excited, and I immediately purchased the Lang. It started off as a base model, and then I upgraded and got the hybrid and added a few options to it, and ever since it's been nothing but great.
So what possessed you after all this time to take a cooking class with Chef Paul?
I've been cooking on my Lang for 3 years now, and I've perfected most of my cooks, and now I'm trying to polish my skills, and I'm going to pursue professional level.
Very good. So you feel this was a worthwhile course so far?
Most definitely.
Good, good. You learned a lot of stuff from Chef Paul and the other students?
Indeed. In fact, it was a good camaraderie. There was a lot of different techniques that I picked up from the other students here, as well as the chef.
We're cooking on a lane.